children, let us begin with our note making task. Children, before moving on to taking down the notes, I had told you the steps of making notes. The first and the foremost point that you should keep in mind is that we have to read the passage in order to get an idea of what it is about. Now, this is known as skimming. The 15-minute reading time that you will get, you have to read the passage. It will be a superficial reading wherein you will get to know the central idea that is contained in the passage. Now, when your 3 hours writing time begins, go for a second reading. This time, children, you will read the passage more carefully and underline the important information, words and phrases. Now, this is known as scanning, wherein I am carefully noting down the important points, the phrases and the words. Okay? I had told you this, children, that when we are taking down the notes, it is exclusively my style and my understanding. No two students will have the same style or same set of notes, because we take down the notes according to our feasibility, according to our understanding. Now, can you see the first paragraph? Children, it is my style. You know, when I was in school, I not only used to underline the important words and phrases, but also used to make stars, circle the phrases and the words on the question paper, or like here, you know, I have taken an arrow from worry to educationists, just to show that there is a correlationship between these two words. So it is exclusively your style, how you will take down the notes. The first and the foremost thing is that you have to read the passage. So just take 2 minutes in reading the passage. You won't be able to complete it in 2 minutes. Of course, you will be requiring at least 5 to 7 minutes, and give your 5 to 7 minutes to this passage. I'm just quickly going through the passage. Even I am reading it. Okay, taking up the education of children, we see that they should be trained to love one another, to be kind and helpful to all, to be tender to the lower animals, and to observe and think right. Okay, so we can underline all these points, and yes, all this can be categorized under values. Yes, these are some values. Okay, the task of teaching them how to read and write and to count and calculate is important, but it should not make us lose sight of the primary aim of molding personality in the right way. Okay, so it is talking about the bookish, the formal education, as well as the values that education should inculcate in us. Okay, this is the idea. This is the idea contained in the second paragraph. Okay, let me read further. For this, it is necessary to call into aid culture, tradition and religion. But in our country, we have in the same school to look after boys and girls born in different faiths and belonging to families that live diverse ways of life and follow different forms of worship associated with different denominations of religion. Okay, so it is talking about cultural diversity. Yes, you know, children, when I am talking to myself, I am making myself understand the various main points that I can write. Now, once I have framed those main points, children, the additional information and I can put as headings and as subheadings and subheadings. Okay, when I am talking to myself that, okay, the passage, the second paragraph is talking about cultural diversity. It is talking about, same school in which there are boys, there are girls studying who belong to different faiths, who belong to different families and live diverse ways of life. Okay, the main heading can be cultural diversity, under which the subheadings could be, let me just quickly see. Okay, the subheading could be different culture, tradition, religion. Next subheading could be boys and girls from different faiths and belong. Okay, different faiths. Let me end this here. Third subheading could be diverse ways of life. That's it. So I have formed quickly one main heading followed by 3 subheadings. And did you see, children, how my subheadings are in sync with the main heading? This is how you need to think, and this is how you need to jot down these points in the note form. Okay, let me further read. You have to continuously talk to yourself. Your pencil should be moving. Develop your style of how you can take down the notes, children, and be very quick in doing it. The more you will practice, children, the more perfection you will attain. You have to become very perfect in taking down the notes. And this is a question where children can score full marks. Very easy. It is very, very easy. Once you will learn how to do it, children, it will be a child's play for you. So let's see. Let's read the passage further. It will not do to tread the easy path of evading the difficulty by attending solely to physical culture and intellectual education. Okay, this line is a little hefty. Well, let me underline it. Let's see if something I find in relation to this point. This is how you have to talk to yourself. Okay, I am telling you how you write and how you take down the notes. Okay, we have to evolve suitable technique and method for serving the spiritual needs of schools, children professing different faiths. We would thereby promote an atmosphere of mutual respect. Okay, I can underline this point. We would thereby promote an atmosphere of mutual respect. Let me go back to that hefty point that I had read before. It will not do to tread the easy path of evading the difficulty. Okay, evading which difficulty? The cultural diversity that is existing. Okay, I cannot evade it. Evading means to run away from it. Okay, let me just make a mark over here. You know what I used to do, children, when I was in school? I used to put a star mark over here. Okay, star, and then let me mark it, the next point that I had read below, as star 1. So how can I write it? We would thereby promote an atmosphere of mutual respect, a fuller understanding and helpful cooperation among the different communities in our society. Okay, so we have to create a harmony. Okay, so this I can link with that hefty point. So from that hefty point, I will create my next main heading. Okay, I am able to do it. I can understand now. Let me read further. Again, we must remain one people, and we have therefore to give basic training in our schools to speak and understand more languages than one, and to appreciate and respect the different religions prevailing in India. It is not mind what is necessary must be done, and it is not in fact too great a burden. Okay. Now how to tackle this problem? The solution has been given. Oh yes, I can form this main heading again. We would thereby promote an atmosphere of mutual respect. That means this is the solution. This is how we can tackle the problem. Okay, my next main heading can become how we can solve this problem of cultural diversity. Okay, let me just again put a star 2 over here. So this is again star 2, and let me see the points in relation to this. Again, we must remain one people, and we have therefore to give basic training in our schools. Okay, basic training in schools to speak and understand more languages. Okay, appreciate and respect the different religions. Okay, okay, so 2 points I have found here. Dissuaded from this by consideration as to overtaking the young mind. Okay, overtaking the young mind. That means this training should begin at a very early stage. So this can be my third point. So how can the problem be solved? First is by speaking and understanding, by making an atmosphere where we can speak and understand more than one language. Second, where different we should develop that tolerance power where we can appreciate and respect the different religions that are prevailing. Okay, and this training should begin at a very young age so as to nurture and cultivate the young minds. Okay, I am done with my third main heading. 3 main points formed and the subheadings also I have written. Now this is a rough draft that I am preparing on the question paper. Use your pencil on the question paper. If any objection comes from the invigilator, ignore it. Later you can rub it. Again, time management is all what is required. Okay, ignore the invigilator. She will tell you that please don't write anything on the question paper, but please write, make use of it. Rub it later on. Okay, now let me proceed with my reading. Okay, let's go on to the last paragraph. Any attempt to do away with or steamroll the difference through governmental coercion, okay, and indirect pressure would be as futile as it would be unwise. Okay, government intervention, coercion. Children, coercion over here is governmental coercion is intervention, and indirect pressure would be futile as it would be unwise. Okay, let me keep for the time being, let me underline it. It is talking about some governmental interference, right? Now, religion, culture, tradition, these are all very sensitive issues. So, governmental coercion or interference, is it wise? Okay, let me keep it, let me underline it and then read further. Any imposition of a single way of life and form of worship on all children or neglect of a section of the pupils in this respect or barren secularization will lead to a conflict between school and home life which is harmful. Okay, an imposition of a single way of life. Okay, the government coercion should not be such that it is imposing a single way of life, okay, and form of worship. There should not be a single style of life. There shouldn't be the promotion of a single worship, okay, and neglecting the other sections or pupils in the society. No, it should not be like this. No law should be passed this way. What will it lead to? Conflict between school and home life which is harmful. On the other hand, if we give the due recognition to the different prevailing faiths in the educational institutions by organizing suitable facilities for religious teachings for boys and girls of all communities, this may itself serve as a broadening influence of great national values. Okay, so what is the solution given over here? That instead what we should do? We should give due recognition to the different faiths that is prevailing in the educational institutions. So finally, children, okay, if you remember yesterday I told you that if you find similar points in the following paragraphs, they can be clubbed together. Okay, children, so if you find similar points, please put them as subheadings in the main point you have already formed. So what can you write over here? Okay, there are some more points to the solutions given that we should recognize, we should give due recognition to the difference that is prevailing, the different faiths that are prevailing, and organize suitable facilities for religious teaching for boys and girls of all communities. So we should be in harmony with all religions and the culture that is prevailing in the community. Okay, this is also solution. So I can put it in the main point that I have formed above. This may itself serve as a broadening influence of great national values. Okay, now this is a kind of a result, isn't it? The last line is a kind of a result. So my fourth main heading could be what will be its effect. So first I can write it will create a broadening influence. Second, it will instill national values. And any other point, one more point if I write down, I'll be done with my note making. So on the other hand, if we give due recognition, okay, giving due recognition in different prevailing faiths in the educational institutions by organizing suitable facilities for religious teaching. One point could be organizing suitable facilities for religious teaching. Second point, boys and girls of all communities should be considered. Third point, okay, what will it result to? This is what I was writing. It will create a broadening influence of great national values, which will result in broadening the influence of great national values. Okay, no, I am still not done with this last point. What can I write? Okay, I can do one thing. I can make sub point. The third main paragraph, main point I had written, the solution to this problem. So I can make the fourth main point as more ways to tackle the problem. Yes, perfectly fine, acceptable. More ways to tackle the problem. Okay, then put it down. Organizing suitable facilities for religious teaching. Second point, boys and girls of all communities should be taken into consideration, and what will be its result can come as a sub point. Okay, so it may itself serve as a broadening influence. So it will serve as a broadening influence of great national values. So again, as two sub points, I can put it as broadening influence will have a broadening influence. Second, great national values will be developed. Okay, I'm done with. Children, throughout your note making, please use abbreviations here and there. Now, I couldn't explain you the use of abbreviations in my explanation. So, but that I have already told you, and it is understood that you have to use abbreviations. Children, 5 to 6 abbreviations you have to use, and it is mandatory. So please use the abbreviations. After I am done, okay, let me see what has been done here. You know, children, every time when you will sit down to write the notes, it will be different. Now, this is a fixed format given. I have explained you a pattern. You can go through this pattern, but at the same time, listen to my explanation again. Listen to it twice, listen to it thrice. Try to understand the way I am thinking. Children, you have to think on those lines. I have only explained you how to think. You have to think like this. Talk to yourself. Your hands should be at work. Keep underlining. Keep making signs here and there. Try to relate. Try to link points, one point to another. So this is how you have to do note making. It's very easy. Children, I used to love doing this question, and I'll tell you one thing, I used to get full marks. Okay, now let's see how this is done. So problems faced by educationists, okay, the same common points have been written here also. Okay, next main heading was aim of education of children. Okay, here there is a little variation. I have thought in a different way. So you can go according to what has been written here, or you can go according to what I have explained to you. Okay, so okay, teaching of to read, write, count, calculate. Okay, aim of education, yes, this is one practical aim, and the other is molding personality. Okay, so these are the values, love one another. Okay, so this has been put in this way, acceptable, fine. How to mold students' personality, take help of culture, tradition and religion, change due to diversity in faiths, ways. Okay, here this is a little different. Children, follow the explanation that I have given you. So, you know how to tackle the problem of cultural diversity. This was the main third point that I had made. So ways were given to you. Take help of culture, tradition, challenge due to diversity, okay, ways of life form. So these are the challenges faced. Okay, then evolve tech to serve spur needs of childhood. Okay, so here abbreviations have been used. We have to see the key to these abbreviations. Okay, train students to speak different languages. Okay, so here it has been given the solution, how to tackle the problem. Okay. Let me scroll down. Mistakes to be avoided. Okay, mistakes to be avoided. Yes, government interference should not be there. Yes, this heading also can be formed, children. Mistakes to be avoided. Okay, barren secularization, imposition of a single way of life. Good. Yes, this fourth point can be utilized. Okay, correct approach would be, yes, again a very good point, main point. Correct approach, recognition, faiths will help promote, okay, see, sub point, atmosphere of mutual respect, understanding and cooperation. Okay, children, see, this is a ready-made answer that is given to you. Now what I want you to do is, you solve this according to the way I have explained. So this is your assignment for the day. The same passage, it is there in front of you. I will also be sharing this slide with you. Children, try to take down the notes the way I have explained. Okay? Yes. Now the title, here the title has been written after the notes, acceptable. You can write it here also, but I will suggest you, children, the title should be at the very beginning. So please write the title at the very beginning. Education of children, or over here title, changes in the matrix of education. Okay, because now education has a variety of roles to play. Okay, so changes in the matrix of education. Here again the abbreviations used. Children, too many abbreviations have been used here. Please go for 5 or 6. That's it. 5 to 6 abbreviations. That's it. Okay, now the summary. Your summary should not be chunks or sentences picked up from the main passage. Your summary should depend on the notes that you have taken. And remember, children, I will go through each summary that you have written, and if I find that children have picked up chunks and written, I will deduct your marks. So you can just go through the summary that has been written, and that's it. We are done with note making. There is one more sample over here, prompt 2, note making prompt 2. You go through it, you do it yourself. It is again a solved example, children. Try to develop your own style. Try to develop your own style. Talk to yourself the way I was. You will see that you will be done with note making in no time. It's fun, children. At least I enjoy doing it. Okay, so do this assignment and submit your work to me timely. Okay, thank you students.